Hey, Martin here with your real life Welsh farmhouse renovation. Another couple of weeks have gone by, and just to remind you, we are turning a farmhouse from 1650, just bringing it up to modern day standards in a very sympathetic way, revealing lots of hidden features, creating some features that you need, like toilets. There were no one upstairs. And it's a big project, but it's going okay. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and click your little alert thing, and then we'll be back in a few weeks' time. So the big thing, if you remember, was in the bedrooms here, and it was about the ceilings, and we have taken the ceilings out. They've now been plastered, the original fireplaces, but you've got this A-frame, which was the construction here. It's all this old oak wood or whatever it was made of, I'm not quite sure. Covered up over time. You can see that was the level of the old ceiling, covered in this horrible black paint that we need to get rid of. But just the room now is, well, just remind ourselves what it looked like before. And now, what you see. To think I almost didn't do it. Well, I knew it was going to be a big job, but would have regretted it forever if I hadn't. Little bathroom going in here. This is a bit of an issue. Decided to make this a wet room because it hasn't got a lot of space. So that's going to all be kitted out, well, like a wet room, which means basically you can go in there and there's no shower tray. That was a little sort of leap of logic to not actually fit a shower tray, just make the whole bathroom basically the shower tray. So you could go in there and there'll be a shower on the wall and it'll just spray onto the floor, putting a heated floor in there. And that's just a way of getting over the fact you haven't got any really space for any glass doors or whatever. So let's walk down the corridor. So the big thing since last time, oh my gosh, it's so dark, you're not going to be able to see it. There you go. Now, you can get to see what it looks like. So this bathroom here, decided to go for the wood panelling. And on the floor, this is that tiles. They're actually tiles, but they look like sort of wood effect. And then in the corner here, where the shower's going to go, I like these tiles. I think they're called Metro. Well, not called Metro tiles. They're called Crackle. And I've gone for this. And then you see this. It's white, but then slightly off-white. So you get this really nice effect. It's very subtle, and sometimes you can go for very much different colours. Like you can get greys and you can get creams and whatever. So here we've just gone for this really subtle difference. So it's majority of it's white, but it does just give it a little touch, and I think that's going to look really nice. And then, as I said, wood panelling everywhere, which I just like. I just think it's in keeping. You know, it creates this really nice space. So that's good. And then down the corridor into the second main bedroom, and you know, I mean, just wow. Again, revealing these A-frames, old bits of wood. The thing in the corner, which I was really worried about, the toilet, actually integrated really well into that corner. So I'm really happy with that. And the toilet itself you're not going to be able to see, but we've done the tiling in here. That's also got that flooring down. And just keeping some of the original features. So the beams here go through here, and then that's actually continued through inside, just as a really random feature. I love that kind of stuff. And then what we've decided to do on these end walls, we're going to paint, scrape out all the mortar and very carefully pick a kind of mortar which has got, it'll probably be a lime mortar actually, which has got bits of seashells and coal and rough sand in it. So to try and, because if you look, this is what you don't want. You don't want it to look like that, just, you know, modern, horrible concrete, cement crap. You want it to look more like this, which is just a lot more characterful and a lot more textured. That's really going to look out of place, so we need to do that. And we'll do the same with the wall at the other end, and then this little wall here, which we're making up the little hole where that was actually leading into the loft. So yeah, I mean it's coming on. It's slow, but there's a lot of quite sort of labour intensive work going on. So, you know, but it's looking around, it's just incredible, I think, what it was. So thinking about the floor, we're going to strip the floor back, strip floorboards, and yeah, I mean, it's coming on, and I'm not unhappy about any of the decisions I've made so far, and we'll just keep going, and we'll just do all of these when there's something else to show you. For now, make sure you like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll be back with more renovations, real life renovations, from a farmhouse in Wales very soon.